One, I am just trying to test out the Restream because today I was in a show with Dari and he was able to show us around how to connect to Restream and broadcast to multiple channels. So I know that this is actually paid, but out of the generosity of Danry, he decided to make me a team member of Realstream. So what's very interesting to me is the fact that I could even um, stream my team's meetings to multiple channels. So in this test, I am doing it to my YouTube channel, to Facebook and my LinkedIn. Even though this is not like an event that is scheduled from Microsoft Teams for now, I'm looking at using this medium to have my training for the Pillars Cloud Technology weekly sessions, just so I can have it streamed even down to my Facebook accounts. And I'm thinking also to even have the mentees LinkedIn or social media handle also added to where I'll be streaming to. Yeah, because it is late here, my background is a bit dark. I'm not turning on my camera, but I will just be trying to see if I can add some features into this event because I'll just go back to watch it and see how it is. So I'm seeing music here. I'm feeling that maybe I'll be able to put music. It is saying I should upload music from my device, right? But I will not do that right now. I may just try to play the chill music from here, and I would really like to listen to it to see how it is. Okay, so that's one of the music I'm playing. I may just down the volume a bit. Yeah, just in case it is too loud from your end. Um, okay, so that's for that. Let me see what other thing is there. So I see people here. What was I supposed to do with people? Let me see. Okay, that's where to invite guests, maybe to speakers. And let me see. This is supposed to be so the overlay. Never miss a comment. Click on a chat message to display it on the screen. Oh, okay. So that's nice, right? Let me do that. Let me just see this. Let me say this is testing Restream. Okay, so let me just use Restream and let me also see how that's going to appear on the screen. Okay, makes sense. So I think that should be on the screen now. I'm seeing the YouTube symbol showing up there. So the next thing I see there is the quotation sign. Let me see how it looks. Okay, so that's showing more like where I can share links with people. I may be wrong. And then the next thing here is about the theme, right? Okay, so that makes sense. And the next thing I'm seeing here is what? Showing like a QR code for image, right? So I think I may just take time to look how this works. And it's like showing price for headphone. So it's possible that's for purchase of headphone. I also see like a padlock with chat. That's looking like private chat, right? Okay, that's what it is. I got that correctly. So let me see here. Okay, so this is saying I should create scene, and this asking me orientation. Just looking for where I can. Oh, this is where to share my screen. Beautiful. So I may just do this, and I will do entire screen. Let me just click on the screen. I only have one screen at the moment. So let me click on share screen. And I'm just believing that, yeah, my screen is showing up now. So let me see. Let me just do admin.microsoft.com. Just want to check if that's going to impact on the extent at which my bandwidth is being consumed, right? Let me just try to create a user. Um, okay, so let me just try to reset the password of a user and see. I'm just going to show all, and then I'm just coming to users, and I will go to active users. So if I do that, I may just want to hide this one that is showing up here, right? So there was a user I created on a live event, and I need to just change some details about that user. So I'm just going to do this. And then when I do that, what else do I do now? I'm just going here to do this. And then instead of doing automatic, I'm just going to do this. And I will do, okay, so that's just me. Resetting this guy's sign in detail. So for YouTube's sake, this is not a real user's password I'm changing. It's just a fictitious lab user. So I think the screen share makes sense, right? Where do I stop sharing? I'm going to hit on stop sharing here. So I can stop screen sharing by clicking on this. So I think this is making sense, apart from the fact that I can't turn on my video like I mentioned. My background is a bit dark at the moment, but it's late here and I'm not really sitting in my studio. So let me check this. What is this? Invite people, external camera, the screen share, presentation, image, RTMP sources, and then settings. Okay. So I'm just going to be checking this out, and possibly I'm going to be using this for my streaming. And I hope you enjoyed the few things I was able to do here. So if you have comments, you may just drop them down there. I'll be happy to check it out and see what content you want to see coming out from me. Yes, so like I mentioned, this is just a test, and I hope that yeah, you will find this useful when I start using the tool. Plenty thanks to Danry MVP for giving me this beautiful access. I saw the cost on the screen, and that's about $41 monthly. So giving me access to it is a privilege and a well appreciated opportunity for me to showcase more of the things I can do. And again, I want to say thank you, Dan, and thank you also, Frank, for giving me the opportunity to host the Azure and AI show today. So this was one of those things that Dan displayed, and I felt like, hey, Dan, can you give me access to this? And before I even asked, he has already given me, right. So that's the benefit of being in the community. While trying to see that you want to help people, people are really the ones helping you. So I truly appreciate this help, and yeah, I hope to utilize it to the fullest. And thank you again. Yeah, bye from here. Cheers, everyone.